Can you get partial unemployment benefits if your hours are cut? Imagine working hard, then suddenly your hours get cut back. You might wonder if you can still get some help with your income. Well, the answer is yes in many cases. If your employer reduces your hours involuntarily, you could be eligible for partial unemployment benefits. These benefits are meant to help workers who are still employed but earning less because of fewer hours. They act as a supplement to your wages, so you don't face a total income loss. But there are some rules to keep in mind. First, the hours must be cut by your employer, not because you chose to work less. You also need to be able and available to work full-time if offered a full schedule, even if you are working fewer hours now. Each week, you must report all hours worked and your gross earnings accurately. States set their own minimum work and earning thresholds, so what qualifies can vary depending on where you live. Partial unemployment benefits are calculated based on your earnings and hours. Some states reduce your weekly benefit amount by a percentage of your wages above a certain point. Others disregard a part of your wages before subtracting the rest from your benefit. For example, some states ignore the first 25 or 33% of your earnings when calculating benefits. The more you work and earn, the smaller your benefit will be, and if you return to full-time hours, your benefits could stop altogether. There are some limits, though. If your hours are cut due to misconduct, you might be disqualified for a period. Also, if you are working your usual full hours, you cannot receive partial benefits, no matter how much you earn. To qualify, you need to meet other criteria like having enough past earnings and not being laid off for reasons that disqualify you. When your employer reduces hours instead of laying you off, partial unemployment benefits can help you stay afloat financially. They keep you connected to your job while providing some income support during slow periods. So, if your hours are cut involuntarily, check with your state unemployment office to see if you qualify for partial benefits. Remember, you must continue to meet all eligibility rules, report your earnings honestly, and be ready to work full-time if needed. This way, you can get some help while you work through the changes in your employment situation.